distribution, what we do basically, here the trials, or you, it's like binomial means 2. Binomials का मतलब क्या होता है? 2. It means the probability or whatever the trials you are having, the outcome of that trial will be constrained to 2 digits. Like head, if I toss a coin, so what can be outcome? It can be head or tail. Only 2 possible outcomes can be there, not more than that. That's why, like if you have a child, so it can be either a boy or a girl. There are 2 possible outcomes for it. So for those we describe under binomial distribution. उन सबको हम binomial distribution के अंदर डाल देते हैं, and that is very easy. We'll see. So here you need to write the formulas. You have to remember it, and here is the proof. Okay. So I'm not solving that proof. Proof is there for this thing. Proof for variance or mean. Mean and variance is there. Pakka 8 marks question will be there. Okay. Pakka 8 marks question will be there. Okay. So I'm not solving that. It's easy proof, like step by step. If you go, you will find it. I'm telling just the formulas available to us. The first formula which is available to us, x is equals to x. So probability of x equals to x is f of x ncx p of x q of n minus x. That is, you have already remembered this formula in binomial theorem also. Then formula of mu is n into p. N into p. What is p and q? Acha, p and q are the outcomes. I told you there will be 2 outcomes only, either p or either q. So probability of happening p is p and probability of happening q. So what will be the sum of p plus q? So you have to remember that p plus q will always 1, because binomial distribution is there. Binomial distribution में 2 ही outcomes होते हैं, 2 ही outcomes होते हैं, तो उन दोनों की probability 1 होगी. So p plus q equals to 1 हमेशा रहेगा. So n into p, number of trials you have done, n is the number of trials and p is the this probability. Then third is your variance, sigma square, and the formula is npq. So derivation is there. See, derivation is easy only. So what is derivation? Mu is nothing but it is from like sigma of what is that? ncx p power x q power n minus x times x. If you remember, what was mu? It was integration of f of x into x. Correct. So this is f of x, no, into this x. Limits will go from 0 to x. Sorry, the x limits will go from 0 to n. So when you solve this, you get np. And similarly, npq. What is formula of sigma square was? It was x square f of x. So in spite of x square, it will be sigma ncx px q n minus x. So you have to mug up the formula. So mug up the proof. It's easy. Okay, just step by step calculation you have to do. So is this formula clear to you? So we'll do question. And one more thing, like for p, x is equals to x, you know, no. It is ncx px q of n minus x. For example, it says that 20 bulbs are there, out of 5 are fused. So find probability for 1000 bulbs. So basically it is n values. This is capital N and this is the small n. The number of trials were done on 20 bulbs and it is asking for 1000 bulbs. So you have to multiply this by 1000. That is, I must say, this is multiplied by n. So whenever you find such questions, like they have given n value different but they are asking for different values, So you have to multiply this function with that n. Correct? We'll see the question. The first question. So the first question we will see here. If x is a binomial distributed random variable, I am getting it. If x is a binomial distributed random, if the mean and variance of x are, so they have given in the question, mean of x is 2 and variance of is 3 by 2 respectively, then find the distribution function. So you need to find what is f of x basically. Easy question, is it? So mu is given 2, sigma square is given 3 by 2 and f of x is given this. So how you will start? Mu is what? Np. How much it is given? 2. Sigma square is what? Np cube. How much is it? 3 by 2. So Np is 2. So 2q is equals to 3 by 2. Q is equals to 3 by 4. You got the value of Q. And you are studying binomial distribution. You know that P plus Q is equals to 1. So P plus 3 by 4 is equals to 1. So P is equals to 1 by 4. You get the value of Q, you get the value of P, put it here. N into 1 by 4 is equals to 2. You get value of N as 8. What is function what is it asking? Function it was asking. No. You know the function NCX, PX, Q of N minus X. You know the value of N, you know the value of P, you know the value of Q. Put it and get the answer. That is 8CX. P is what? 1 by 4x. And what is 3 by 4? 8 minus x. This is the answer. Simple. जो जो दिया गया है उसमें वैल्यूज पुट करते जाओ, you will get the answers. We'll do one more question on it. See, if coin is tossed, just general I'm asking, if coin is tossed, so what is P and what is Q? It is 1 by 2, only 1 by 2, because when coin is tossed there are equal possibility of head and tail. So like this, if a child is born, so it is girl or a boy, what is the probability? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The equal probability is there, no? Right. 6 coins are tossed. 6 coins are tossed. Number of 6 coins are tossed. 6 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting exactly one head. Second, at least 3 head. At least 3 head. And fourth one, at least 1 head. So repeating the question, it says that the probability of 6 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting exactly 3 heads. Exactly 3 heads, sorry. Exactly 3 heads. At least 3 head. At least 1 head. So now coin is tossed. So what is P and Q values? 1 by 2 and Q by 2. That you have to use your brain, because coin is tossed. So there are fair probability of head as well as tails. Then what is N? N is 6. Correct. So exactly 3 heads. So first you got N and you got P and Q. Form the function. First step you do like this. सबसे पहले आप क्या करो, जैसे NPQ की वैल्यू आपको पता चली, फंक्शन लिख डालो. So function will be something like 6CX P power, what is P? 1 by 2 power X, 1 by 2 power 6 minus X. Now what is exactly 3 heads? 3 heads means value of X is 3. So it is probability of x is equals to 3. So f of 3. So put x as 3. What is it? 1 by 2. So you will get the answer for this. Now second, at least 3 head. At least 3 head means कम से कम 3. If you get more than 3, it's okay. But you have to start from 3. So you will take x. It is like x greater than equal to 3. नहीं आया. It's like x greater than equal to 3. So what value you can take? You can take 3, you can take 4, you can take 5, and you can take 6, because till 6 points are tossed. No. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is P of x equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is it? It will be 6c3 1 by 2 3 1 by 2 3 plus 6c4 1 by 2 4 1 by 2 square plus 6c5 1 by 2, what is it? 5 1 by 2 plus 6c6 1 by 2 power 6. Now third is at least one head. So at least one head is x less than 1. Now see, I tell you one more concept here. It is says as at least one head means at least one head x greater than equal to 1. So you have to write p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6. In spite of it, you take complement. No, that is total minus x less than 1. वो बोल रहा है कि at least, क्योंकि probability of everything has to be 1. So you take complement of it. जब भी आपको लगे कि आपको इतनी सारी कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ रही है, आप उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले लो. That is 1 minus उल्टा of this. So 1 minus px less than 1. So it will be 1 minus just p of 0. That is 6c0 1 by 2 0 1 by 2 power 6. This will be the answer. That 1 minus this. In spite of doing this much calculation, 6c1 1 by 2 this, you take complement. No, here also you can take complement. So p of x less than 3, rather than doing this calculation, I will do 1 minus p of x less than 3, that is 1 minus 0 1 and 2, that is p of 0 plus p of 1 p of 2. That's it. क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना सीख गए? क्योंकि कई बार ऐसे ही होगा, आपको बहुत सारी वैल्यूज की जगह आप क्या ले लो, 1 माइनस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ इट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉम्प्लीमेंट. because the probability of x less than 3 plus probability of x greater than 3 has to be 1. No, so use this concept. नहीं आई बात समझ में? Last question we are doing this, and this is okay, we do like this. In sampling a large number of parts manufactured by a company, the mean number of defected in sample of 20 is 2. Out of 1000 such sample, how many will contain at least 3 defective parts? So they have given basically, so out of 20 bulbs, this is 2 bulbs are like mean of 20 bulbs is 2. So according to question, mu is given as 2 and n is given as 20, and they are asking for n capital N for 1000 when x is equals to 3 defective parts. This is what I can get from the question. So mu is np is equals to 2, n is 20, so 20p is equals to 2, p is equals to 10, p is equals to 1 by 10. I know that p plus q has to be 1, so so from this can I write q as 9 by 10? Correct. Then from the function f of px, that is NCX. What is N? 20CX. What is P? 1 by 10 of X, 9 by 10 of 10. What is it? 20 minus 6. Now what is it asking? X equals to 3. So X is equals to 3. At least 3 or at least 3 it is asking. So it is asking basically P of X less than equals to 3. Now, oh sorry, X greater than equals to, at least it is asking P of X greater than 3. Now, means you have to calculate for 3, 4, chalte chalte P of 20. Will you do this? It will take century to complete this. Rather than I will take complement. I will write 1 minus P of X less than 3. 1 minus P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Only 3 calculation I will do in spite of 17 calculations. So do that. That is 1 minus 20C0, 9 by 20 plus 20C1, 1 by 10, 9 by 10, 19 plus 20C2, 1 by 10 square, 9 by 10 of 80. That's it. Then